Good morning student. In previous video we have completed up to question number 4 from exercise 5.2. In today's video I am going to explain question number 5. Question number 5 is given an angle is 5 times its complement. Find the measure of that angle. Okay. Now first we find out the condition, what condition it is given in this question. According to that, here we frame the equation or put the equation to find out the value of variable. Okay. Now what we have to find out the angle. Therefore here we consider let the angle be what? X. For that unknown quantity here we take the variable x. Now what is its complement? We know that complementary angle means what? Sum of two angle is equal to what? 90 degree. Therefore its complement, if you have to find out, you have to subtract the given angle from 90 degree. Okay. Therefore complement of angle x is equal to what? 90 minus x here we get. Okay. Now by given condition, what is the condition? Given angle is 5 times its complement. Okay, what is the condition is given in the question? An angle is 5 times its complement. Okay, an angle means what? X. Is means what? Equal sign. Okay, here we frame the equation. 5 times means 5 into its complement. Complement angle here we find out, that is 90 minus x. 90 minus x. In this way here we get the equation. Okay, now we solve the equation. X as it is on the left hand side. Now we multiply each term of the bracket with the 5. 5 into 90, here we get 450. Then 5 into x, here we get 5 into x, that is minus 5x. Okay, then we transfer the variable term on the left hand side. X as it is on the left hand side. If we transfer minus 5x, become 5x here on the left hand side, is equal to 450 on right hand side as it is. Okay, according to transposing method, if we transfer, minus become plus, plus become minus. If it is multiplication, it will come in division. If it is in division, it will come in multiplication. This is the transposing method to solve the equation. You have idea about this. Okay, now x plus 5x, addition of these two like term, here we get 6x is equal to 450. Then 6 is multiplication with the x. If we transfer on the right hand side, it will come in division. Therefore x is equal to what? 450 divided by x. Okay, therefore x is equal to what? 75 degree. 450 divided by 6, here we get 75. Therefore required angle is what? 75 degree. Therefore measure of the given angle is what? 75 degree. Okay, this is the answer. Now see the next question. Question number 6. In this question, two supplementary angles are in the ratio 3:2. Two supplementary angles are given in the ratio. Find the angles. Okay. If any quantity it is given in the ratio, you have to take the common multiple with that. Okay. Therefore, here we consider let two supplementary angle be. It is given in the ratio what? 3:2. Therefore, we take the common multiple x. Therefore, these two angles be 3x and 2x. Okay. And we know that sum of two supplementary angles is equal to what? 180 degree. Therefore, their addition 3x plus 2x is equal to 180. In this way, here we get the equation. Okay. Then 3x plus 2x we get the 5x is equal to 180 as it is. Then we transfer the 5 which is in multiplication with the x, it will come in division. Therefore x is equal to 180 divided by 5. Therefore x is equal to what? 36 degree. Here we get the value of x is equal to 36. Therefore required angles are, which are the angles? That is 3x and 2x. Therefore 3x is equal to 3 into value of x is what? 36. 3 into 36, here we get 108 degree, and 2x is equal to 2 into 36. This is the second angle. Okay, that is 2 into 36, here we get 72 degree. These are the two required angles, supplementary angles. Okay, if you will do the sum of these two, you will get what? 180 degree. In this way you can check your answer. Understood? If you take their ratio, you will get the ratio 3:2. Okay. I hope you understand this question also. Now see the question number 8. In question number 8, figure it is given, find the value of x. Here I take a example, okay, how to find out the value of x in the given figure. In a example, figure is given like that. Now see, on this straight line, three angles are formed, 1, 2 and 3. These are the adjacent angles. Okay. Therefore, sum of all these three angles is equal to what? 180 degree. We know that. Sum measure of straight angle is equal to what? 180 degree. Or angles formed on the straight line. This is 180 degree. Therefore, here I write 65 plus x plus 40. Okay. Sum of all these three angles is equal to what? 180 degree. Understood? Therefore, now we solve the equation x as it is. Sum of 65 and 40. Here we get 105 degree is equal to 180 as it is. Keep variable terms on the left hand side as it is. Okay. Then we transfer 105 on the right hand side of the equation. Okay. Become minus 105. Therefore, x is equal to 180 minus 105. We transfer here. Okay. According to transposing method, plus 105 become minus 105. Okay, to solve the equation. Therefore, x is equal to 180 minus 105. Here we get the value of x is equal to what? 75 degree. This is the required answer. Same way you have to complete. Okay, the example B and C from the question number 8. Okay, see on page number 96. Okay, again angles are given on the straight line. You have to do the addition of this angle, solve the equation, and then you will get the value of x. Okay. Now note down your homework. Question number 7 is homework for you, and from question number 8, B and C example is homework for you. Okay. This is all for today, student. Thank you very much for listening me. Thank you.